Hello, my dear friends. Now I am going to discuss a very interesting subject which is called binaural beats. I'm a very big music lover. I love music and I know a lot of people are there who is connected to music some way or other. And today this subject is closely related to music. We know the audible limit is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. This is the limit. This is the parameter when or where we can listen any audible sound clearly. But what will happen if it is lesser than 20 hertz? That is our topic. Before that, I want to unfold one very important thing for everybody. That is, we always use some pure tones, some very pure tones to alleviate many complications. Sometimes it helps us for the development of our inner consciousness. And that's the way how we learned right from our childhood, basically mantras. Maybe that's the reason why Indian culture, Indian mythological science or the background says that music is the best way to worship God. And the secret is lying somewhere close to that area only. We know that different chords are there in music: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the A major chord we call Sa in the Hindu system or in Indian system, Indian classical music. And this Sa or the A major chord, it is now we use as 440 hertz. But originally this chord is 432 hertz. Masaru Emoto, a very famous Japanese scientist, he has proved that how wonderful clarity we can get from 432 hertz. So keeping 432 hertz as A major chord, we can get one octave. This kind of thousands of octaves are there, which is actually we are using for the freshness of our brain. At the same time, it awakens our inner consciousness. And equally, it helps to alleviate many problems, mentally or physically, both. So now I'm going to say you that how we can use these wonderful frequencies in our life. Pure tones we use for the development of our brain and inner body, inner self and soul. But when we go for the healing work, binaural beats always get riding seat. It takes a very important part in it. What is binaural beat? In short, I can give one example because it is difficult for me to go in the detail of it, but I am giving one outline idea about binaural beat. If you are receiving 200 hertz, say, in your left ear through a headphone and 220 hertz or 210 hertz, say, in your right ear through a headphone, then the gap is 10 hertz. This 10 hertz will hit your midbrain. This 10 hertz is not an audible sound, but you can get that energy in your midbrain through binaural beat. It is a wonderful science and wonderful horizon which can create a big impact for anybody's life. Say 200 hertz is a healing frequency for one individual. But this gap of 10 hertz is applicable for him or not, it is decided through astrodowsing. Astrodowsing decides what will be the binaural beat and which is compatible to that individual. You know, when one singer tries to sing a song, first of all he tries to fix his note. Is it C natural or C sharp or G or D? He fixed the Sa first, then Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa. So if your chord is C or D or E, that way the octave will create. And that is your constitutional tasir of your body. Let's say your Manipur chakra is A major, then your Swadhisthana chakra will be B, Muladhara will be C, Sahasrar will be D, Agga will be E, Vishuddhi will be F, and Anahat will be G. But in other way, I can start from directly from Sahasrar also. Sahasrar can be A, Agya can be B, Vishuddhi can be C, Anahat can be D, Manipur can be E, Swadhisthana can be F, and Muladhara will be G. So it is completely a tasir or the constitutional basic fundamental matter of any individual which keeps on varying for different individual, for different kind of case, for different kind of disease, or any kind of mental or physical trouble. So if we can detect the frequency, the sound energy which is applicable for an individual, then it is easier for any healer to heal appropriately, because we have to hit to the correct position. If it is a sinusoidal wave, if the disease or if the root cause is sine curve, then we have to apply a cause curve to neutralize it. So sound energy is a source of many trouble. Distorted sound can create trouble, and it also varies. If it is distorted for X, it can be soothing for Y. So we have to detect which is the source of your problem and how we can solve it. Astrodowsing helps us to solve it and to detect the trouble. That's the way I try to work. Thank you for your patience. I will see you very soon in my next video. Thank you.